Hi everyone. So I'm going to do a 14 by 18 dirty pour with blues, and I am going to put a little bit of sea mist pearl in there just to give me something light. And I think I need a little more dark blue. There's not a lot in this indigo. I'm trying to use up some paints so I can refill everything when I get my new bottles. And I wanted to put turquoise in there, but I have none left, and I don't want to do an aqua. I think it'll be too much green. This is enough green right here. So we're going to do 4 cups. I'll probably only use 3. The 4th cup we'll use for a musical dirty pour or something, and we'll get started. I am going to put black and white in here because I do want some detail. So I'm going to start with, do I want to start with white? Yeah, let me just do a little bit of white in the bottom. And I'm going to follow that with the indigo. That might lighten it up just a little bit. And we're going to follow that with cerulean blue from Artist Loft. And I'm going to follow that with the sea mist pearl. And then we'll go with Soho's manganese blue. A little bit of black. Artist Loft light blue. And this is Grumbacher Prussian blue. A touch of white. And we're going to start again, but very light this time. And I'm just layering color, not pushing down through. I'll get one more little touch of black. Artist Loft light blue. And Prussian blue. And I am going to give those a swirl. And the reason I use so many cups is because I don't like to stretch my paint. You lose your cell formation when you do that. So we're going to move this back here. And we're going to start pouring. Okay, so I don't need the whole cup, but I do need some, and I want some darkness through here. And I'm going to do one swoop across. And that's probably going to be it. That band might be a problem. I should have swirled it. So what's coming out of the cup is a little purpley. Yeah, let's try it. We can always add more. So I'm just moving it all together. Maybe. Stubborn. There it goes. Okay, so this is dark. Let's get rid of that corner. Get our paint in the middle and head that way. I might as well go down here. I am getting some cells in that band, so it's not too bad. Got some beautiful skins that I'll be able to pull off of here. Okay. I think everything's covered except this corner up here. Okay. Let's torch her and see what happens. My first pass is usually air bubbles. I love this right here. It's so pretty. Okay, so that band is not coming up. Let me try my other torch. A lot that's going to come up as it sets. All right. I still have a lot of paint on there. But I'm going to leave it because I think it's pretty. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll get a notification when I upload my next video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. All the links are below. My Amazon shop has all your supplies. The torch, the washing machine tray, everything I use. Stir sticks, squirt bottles, cups, everything. And also these pads. And I also have an Etsy shop, and that link is below as well. So check everything out. And if you're new and you're subscribing, welcome aboard. Check out all my videos. I have tutorials in the playlist, how to mix paint and how to do certain techniques right up from start to finish. So hope to see you around, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.